In this video, I'll show you how to increase your Facebook page income step by step. First, open Facebook or Meta Business Suite and check your monetization section to see which earning tools are available for your page. Focus on creating original, engaging content that follows Facebook's monetization policies. Post consistently and use different formats such as Reels, videos, photos, and stories to reach more people. Pay attention to your insights and identify the posts that receive the most views, watch time, shares, and engagement. Create more content around the topics your audience enjoys. You can also improve your earnings by building a loyal audience, responding to comments, and encouraging viewers to follow your page. Depending on your eligibility, you may have access to monetization options such as ads, stars, subscriptions, or other creator programs. Make sure your payout and tax information is complete so you can receive eligible earnings. Finally, review your performance regularly and focus on content that increases both reach and audience engagement. That's how you can work toward increasing your Facebook page income. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.